Alright ladies, come with me to install this flip over unit.
He gave me some dick in bed, now we think his dick is embedded. About to leave his text on red, I'ma let him know that I read it. Making niggas feel away is a forte, really. Might not even hit you when I'm in your city.
Alright, so this install is going to be super easy. As y'all can see, I braided the hair straight backs in the back. And I also braided like the perimeter that I'm going to leave out in the front. So I just popped the wig on. The wig does come with clips, but if you want more security, you can sew it around the perimeter. So that's what I'm doing right now. So what I'm going to do is just basically stitch in and out. And I am stitching on top of the braid and attaching the wig to the braid. After I get done applying that wig, we're going to touch them edges out with a hot comb. Now, everybody do not have to use a hot comb. It just depends on the texture of the hair. But if you feel like you want that more, natural look, you can go without the hot comb. But if you want to go ahead and put the hot comb to your head, because your hair is more on the 4C side, ain't nothing wrong with it. So right now I'm applying edge control. I like to put the edge control on two sides, which is by the ear and on the sides where the temple is at. If you want to put more baby hairs, go ahead. It is your world. So I'm just applying edge control on the other side. The edge control of choice I like to use Even, which is listed below for you guys to purchase. The hair curling cream that I use as well is going to be listed as well for this video. I did not show me applying it, but I would recommend you guys to get these products for this hair because it is raw Cambodian hair. When I tell you this is like real hair, you have to take care of it as such. You got to be mindful of what you put in the hair. So I'm gonna give y'all those products because baby, it's simple, easy, and I absolutely love this style because it is summertime and I know the girls are ranting for braids, but babes, this is sexy. This is giving wet and curly. Hey, I'm Puerto Rican is giving all the vibes that they need to give. So if you guys are interested in this wig, you go ahead and go to www.thestylesbyreerachelle.com and go get yours today.
He gave me some dick in bed, now we think his dick is embedded. About to leave his text on red, I'ma let him know that I read it. Making niggas feel away is a forte, really. Might not even hit you when I'm in your city. Thought you was about to get some foreplay with me. You won't even get a picture of these 4K titties. I'm hurry up my shit tonight. No one up my head tonight. Plus I got this feeling light. Alright, hurry up my shit tonight. No one up my head tonight. Plus I got this feeling light. Alright.
And also do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for what I got in store for you guys. And see you later. Love you guys.